Gold throughout the day traded very much in a no trade zone. In the morning update, I shared 1978, 1992 levels, precisely no trade zone. It has remained within the same levels. It failed to break past 1978. That is the most important thing. At the same time, silver too has dropped, but then 2460 again has come to the rescue. So now what to expect with the US session for gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Join my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Now for gold, it appears you can clearly see the bottoms out there and 1980 levels clearly giving it a very strong support. Now with that as support, it is trying to reverse here. Possibility exists that it can try to attempt and achieve 92, 95 levels for once and remain in the box itself. It is very much range bound so far, and a breakout is something which we will wait for, which is beyond 2005 levels. So right now a possibility exists that if it trades above 92, possibility of 95, 2000, 2005 exists. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD is again trying to look upwards. It is slightly bullish here. RSI almost flat here. On the 2-hour charts also see after this consolidation, one breakout and then the reversal candle. One very strong bullish candle has appeared after this strong consolidation. So either it has to break below 1978 in order to confirm a rise, else there is a possibility of a retracement till 1995, 2000, 2005 levels. Stochastic is near to overbought. On the other hand, the MACD has crossed over. This is trying to look upwards, trying to trade bullish, while RSI is flat. Well, if you and on the 3-hour chart to see a wall is created here, that is the most important thing, and I'll wait for it to break down. And also if you look at see the previous box and now this box, so the certainly it is lowering the levels at which it is trying to trade. It is lowering the zone in which it is trying to trade, and hence it is still a bearish indication till the time it stays below 2020 levels, which is the strongest resistance. This is a broad range for the week itself, the 2010 2020. If it breaches, then only for the bullishness is going to be seen. For the day 2005 is something one can look forward to if it breaks past 1992 levels, 1995 levels also. The stochastic is looking upwards here. The MACD trying to trade bullish, looking upwards. Also, this is a bullish indication. RSI is almost flat here, and on the 4-hour chart, similar is the indication. Look, most important part is the previous candle had a very long tail and a greener body. So once it stays above 1992, possibly you can take a buy entry. 95, 2000, 2005 levels cannot be denied. Stochastic rising again. The MACD, see on the 4-hour chart, the MACD is crossed over. It is again trying to trade in green, and RSI is flat here. To now the most important part is the daily charts, and the same phenomena is observed in the daily chart. See higher lows, lower highs, very much trading within the range here, and a possibility that if it continues to rise from here, it can nullify the previous drop and rise till towards 2005. Possibility exists, and then beyond that further bullishness may be seen if it is trying to give a breakout. Remember, what it has done here is it is traded below the 20 period moving average, which is giving it a good resistance. For now all the moving averages have started to converge, and now this is a bearish sign when the moving averages started to converge here. And that is why I say if it breaks below 1978, 75, 70, once 70 is done, there could be a very strong drop. Possibly we may see it with the interest rate hike decision from the Fed tomorrow. That is one thing which can trigger the breakout. And yes, this breakout can be on the upways also, upside also. RSI stochastic looking down. Now look at MACD. This is so far trading with divergence. This has come to the almost bottom levels, and possibly today's red candle will try to, and see this has still got the further scope for it to continue with the breakout. RSI looking down and trading bearish. Considering this, a buy entry at 1992 can be taken, but then 95, 2000, 2005, wait for it to sustain about 2005. Till 2005, you have to keep booking profits, keep re-entering. That is what you can do. At the same time, a sell entry below 1978, the same zone which we had seen in the morning, are applicable till 1970. Be cautious and alert. Below 70, we are going to see a good breakout down. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, be a part of my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch will now start in first week of June. Registrations are open. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. Sharp drop. Then further drop here, got the support at 2460. See, 2460 and 2480. These two levels are very, very important for silver, because below that the chances will increase. 2440, $24 levels might be seen. But right now it is trying to consolidate. And you can also see on the hourly charts lower highs, higher lows. So breakout beyond 2485 you can buy, but then 2495, 2505 is something you should look out for. At the same time, breaking below 2460 you can definitely remain short. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is bearish, and see, it has seen a good far straight journey towards the downside. It can try to converge from here. RSI at bottom. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation. Nothing different, just trying to consolidate with trying to trade within this channel. However, look at last two candles. You can see higher lows are seen, so possibility of a rise exists from here. Be cautious of 2485.90, 2505 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD is still bearish, and see, it has taken a sharp plunge here. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade bearish, and likewise on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this could be a potential reversal signal if it trades about 2480-85 zone, and then we can expect it to hit 2495, $35 levels. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is divergent, bearish. RSI trying to look down. Same observation what we had seen. Most importantly on the 4-hour charts. Now see, on the 4-hour chart, this is a bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. Lower lows are done. Same thing, but another observation here is, see the long tail in the previous candle, and a smaller body indicates that the prices failed to stay on the lower side. Also, this was important because, see, it traded outside Bollinger Bands and got a pull. Now still the Bollinger Bands are ending at around 2472 levels, and it is precisely sticking to the same levels. So yes, it is getting a good support here at 2470, 2460 zone. And yes, a buy entry about 2485, 2480 levels can be taken, but then you have to be watchful till 25. This should not be considered for a reversal. Stochastic is certainly oversold. This calls for a little reversal or rise. MACD on the other hand is still divergent bearish, looking down. RSI is also trying to look downwards. And once you look on the daily, now see on the daily charts, most importantly, silver is something which is given a breakout today. It is trying to trade with a bearish move. You can see this is a channel in which it traded. There was a bigger tail on the upside yesterday. Now it is trying to take on the other hand. Now see, once it stays below 2460, and see these two candles 2450, 24, so these levels are something you should watch out for. Below 2450 it is going to look forward to a very good round of good drop, which might take it till towards 2420, $24 levels. Stochastic on the daily charts is still looking down. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down. So I will recommend you to buy silver today 2485. Till the time it stays below 2485, do not buy, and a sell entry below 2460 can be taken, and that should be a good safe entry. But rather you can sell at 2465 itself, but then 2460, 2450, 2440 till 2440. Yes, there could be very good support, and below that, if not today, possibly by tomorrow, we might see at $24 levels, also 2420, $24 levels, very good support. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.